allowing yourself to exist in such a way as to integrate the awareness of that which is readily available to you, of that which is healing, nurturing, loving, or very well has the potential to be, which is your natural design, which is the intelligence that is within every cell of your body, within every particle of your body, within every space between every cell of your body.
Transform through the stresses and the blessings alchemy. Once again, thankful undoubtedly for all my friends, the family, the tragedies turned to masterpieces. Ashes birth in the phoenix, church bells, beaming sun, migrating butterfly. I'm never done. This another.
And it just comes down to having a harmonious thought, to think harmoniously to yourself, to think harmoniously also to the environment, right? If our environment is not healthy, then we will not be able to thrive. And existing in a harsh environment, as many of us do, will create results within this intelligence that you may not be aware of because of our adaptability. And I have a feeling that I made a whole video on this topic, but I honestly don't remember. So I will just share it with you once again, that your environment is affecting you in subtle ways. And being that I've found myself in a multitude of environments, I'm very viscerally aware of what that is like. Especially because I strive to be in environments that are nurturing the intelligence. No matter what environment you may find yourself in,